2025. Eugene Zaman, Plastic Manufacturing Co. Ltd. Committed to quality in every wiper blade, driven by innovation, market expansion, and team construction, achieving steady business growth and strengthening humanistic foundation of its development. Resting a year-end review that reflects strength and human warmth. Patent development continued to make progress. 1 new wiper design patent, utility patents. Filed 50 patents worldwide covering design, manufacturing, and core technologies. The product iterations have stood out: plastic steel, integrated structure, redefining GOM level standards for quiet and stable. Self-developed, No. 19 adapter for wet harm water spray wiper on Tesla, Volvo, and more improved adapter for 2025 Benz models in 2025. Eugene factory expanded to 17,000 square meters, over 100 skilled employees. 2. Strengthen the output of ultra-high standards and environmental quality control. We invested over RMB 24 million Nerdis advanced production equipment to bring self-developed production. Mass production is ready, stable quality, reliable delivery on efficient response to market demands. Over 60 standardized production machines, over 30 high-precision core equipment, over 100 dedicated wiper molds. Advanced testing equipment, such as Meanwilia, high standard, professional wiper laboratory equipped, with over 10 international temperature, humidity, and ozone aging test. Chamber self-developed silicone rubber strip with ozone resistance, over 72 hours full process. Quality control upgrade backed by strong manufacturing capabilities. Cyan certified to the IATF 16949, 2016, ISO 9001, 2015, dual system certifications from SGS, received high recognition from global market. The exhibition results were fruitful, participating in the 36th Beijing CIA ACE 2025, Chengdu, CAPA Sen, 2025 Automechanica Shanghai, with high-performance products. Strong buyer engagement on CITA, demonstrating the brand's influence. International cooperation has another breakthrough overseas. Renowned buyers were received for inspection with flexible OEM and ODM solution. Preliminary strategic cooperation intention for 2025 was reached overseas. Strategy is steadily advancing. Dealers continue to grow steadily with quality and service. The market expands rapidly. Currently, we cover 31 provinces, Southwest regions, and municipalities in China. Has 175 first-level dealers, over 70,000. Retail outlet serves over 3 million car owners. Annually, the overseas business covers 79 countries, over 600 customer services, over 10 million car owners, annually, forming a global linkage market layout. Special training programs have been carried out, such as AI office skills, Alibaba sales, covering all dimensions of management, efficiency, and business. Optimizing success on-site management proved. Costing efficiencies strengthen the cooperation foundation. Eugene S. Humanistic care is heartwarming. Senior employees are on high temperature welfare. Festival benefit. Safety training is strengthened. Blood donation and public welfare initiatives is practiced.